she or he? The Principal's Academic Award for the junior category goes to Miss Nairut Deberma of Class 1. She is the topper from the junior category. Nairut, please take her gifts away for a while. Okay, please stand here.
Academic award Madam Samakai class taklay junior senior category 2000 kayo junior category class 1 is me 5 jara ang Porinay. I will be reading this one. Antioch School Modhuchawduri para West Tripura Principal's Academic Award 2019-20 is presented to Nairut Deberma Class 1 Row number 2. Daughter of Brazil de Burma of Village Banyapara. Topper in the junior category. Our percentage is 93.4. Congratulations. Let your light shine before others. Dated 18 March 2020 at the Golden Market Principal. This is the award. It will be followed by a cash award.
I will also announce the topper from the senior category, and I will ask the student to come forward. And this time, the topper of or from the senior group category goes to who? Mamita of class 8 with a percentage of 88.48 percentage. So please come forward and let's clap for her also. Mamita, please stand aside first, Principal.
Principal's Academic Award 2019-20 is presented to Mamita Deberma, Class 8, Row number 2. Daughter of Sajani Deberma, Apicharan Para. Topper in the senior category, scoring 88.48%. Congratulations. It is the same. Award goes with cash prize of 2,000. 2,000 by award memento
Now I ask our principal to do the honor of giving away the topper. Mamita, please come this side. Nairut's parents, Nairut ni guardian, Tongkake, please come here. Nairut ni guardian, Tongmoda. Mamita's guardian also, please get ready. Please come forward. Mamita, class 8 guardian. Okay. Mamita of class 8. Everybody. Overall what? Okay. I request the captain, vice captain, if they are present, and all the house teachers, meaning summer house teachers, please come up on the stage. I think you all know your houses. Okay. Enough to carry the trophy, I guess. Alright. Alright. This trophy is a running trophy. Now they are holding. And let's clap for the summer house. All the members who have taken the pain and the trouble to win. And therefore today they get the glory. Now, thank you, Mamita. Second is, we don't have any prize, but we will be announcing. Second is Winter House with 2,974 points.
We are best to make it fair, and this year the prize, the top class toppers are very, very special because you deserve it, and I hope even in the years to come you will get a good prize, so you try to be on the top, okay? And we'll make second and third prizes better than this time. The file that we have given you is very, very special because you will be needing that. File kung lumanekat light kaham quality sih, aborok file kagas atau keton na ni bagoy aborio. Now, actually, there are several announcements to be made. Before that, I'd like to take regarding the teachers also. We have some teachers will be going in the next academic session, so that will be doing at the same time.